This pumpkin grew in my backyard while I was sleeping. Now it's about to feed my entire household. That's real wealth. If it's not real wealth, then what it is? This pumpkin grew in my backyard while I was sleeping. Now guess what? It's about to feed my entire household. If that's not real wealth, then what it is? Then what it is? What it is if it ain't real wealth? So, did you know that pumpkin is a very versatile food? Yes, it can be used in many ways, and if you're from the Caribbean or from Jamaica, a matter of fact, from the Caribbean people, their soup is not completed unless they have some pumpkin in it. Any Caribbean person here, just drop a comment and leave a like. Somebody said it can make even fritters or fritters. Never tried that one either, but willing to try. But look at it, if it can make fritters, it can make pancake. Yeah, I've heard about pumpkin pie, but never tried it. So pumpkin make a nice pie. That's what I heard. And in this video, I am using the pumpkin to make some pumpkin rice. Yes, I'm cooking pumpkin rice. So, my Trini people would tell me, or would say, please try fry sweet pumpkin and bust up shut. Boy, somebody from Trinidad, maybe I forgot to leave the recipe into the comment section for me, because I don't know how that one make, and I would love to try it. Pumpkin can even be stewed by itself. Yes man, season it up nicely with your black pepper, your onion and your paprika and all these things, and stew it and eat it with some nice roti or fried dumpling. What them call it? Pumpkin dal? Yes, Trini. Somebody from Trini, comment and tell me if it's pumpkin dal that. Or maybe somebody who knows, even if you're not from Trinidad, okay? In the video, as I said, I am cooking pumpkin rice. I grate the pumpkin, and what left over, the small piece, I dice them and drop them into the pots. I add salt and that curry looking thing, that's turmeric, and I'm dicing cloves of garlic, thyme, and I'm chopping onions also, not thyme, scallion, green onions, yes, to season the pot. I also add some crushed pepper seed. Normally pumpkin rice would be cooked with coconut milk, but this one is without coconut milk. I'll be adding butter or margarine instead of coconut milk. After adding all my ingredients to the rice pot, I will allow the pumpkin to cook for about 5 minutes before I add the rice, and I'll be using jasmine rice. While the pumpkin is cooking, let's continue to talk about how versatile pumpkin is. Pumpkin can also make pumpkin spicy yogurts. Yes, creamy pumpkin pasta, roasted pumpkin, and feta salad. Savory pumpkin and hummus. Those are some other things that pumpkin can make, just to name a few. And pumpkin can also use to make delicious punch. without alcohol or without Guinness. Some people like to use the pumpkin with supplegen and Guinness. Yes, that tastes wonderful. And there are many more ways that maybe we haven't discovered as yet, but continue to use pumpkin. It's good for even cancer, according to research. It's packed with antioxidants, help to eradicate free radicals. The most common ways to use pumpkin is in pumpkin soup, chicken soup, beef soup, and pumpkin rice, and also just cooking the pumpkin and eat it with my yam, banana, dasheen, sweet potato, and Irish potatoes. Yeah, and those other recipes are things that I told you, such as the roasted pumpkin and feta salad, creamy pumpkin pasta. Those are really simple recipes. It doesn't really take much to make them, so you can Google them or just do your research if you're interested to try some of those recipes. That you use pumpkin, you can share it in the comment section, and if you've come this far into the video, please subscribe if you have not already, and leave a like and a comment.